acne treatment and prevention. Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss acne treatment and prevention. Acne is a common skin condition that affects many people, but it doesn't have to be a permanent part of your life. With the right knowledge and habits, you can manage your acne and lead a healthy, confident life. First, let's talk about treatment. The most important step in acne management is to clean your face properly. Use a gentle cleanser twice a day, preferably after bathing or when your skin is dry. This will remove dirt, oil, and makeup, which can clog pores and cause acne. Don't forget to clean your neck too. Remember to wash your face only once or twice a day. Too many washes can strip your skin of its natural moisture. Another important aspect of treatment is to exfoliate your skin. This can help remove dead skin cells and prevent acne. You can do this yourself using a gentle scrub or by visiting a dermatologist who can recommend a suitable exfoliation treatment. It's also essential to keep your skin well hydrated. Drink plenty of water and use moisturizers that contain natural ingredients, such as aloe vera or tea tree oil, which can help soothe acne-prone skin. In addition to these treatments, it's important to consider prevention. Keep your skin clean and avoid excess oil production. By avoiding tight clothing, using lightweight sunscreens, and avoiding excessive makeup application. Hormonal treatments such as birth control pills can also contribute to acne, so consider discussing this with your healthcare provider. Lastly, stress can exacerbate acne, so it's important to find healthy ways to manage your stress. This can include meditation, exercise, or talking to a therapist. In conclusion, acne is a manageable condition if you're proactive in your treatment and prevention. By following these tips, you can improve your skin's health and confidence.